and welcome back to our channel Mahauma's World. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Today I am going to make Vangi Bath.
First, I need to make Vangi Bath powder. For that, add 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon urdu dal. Dry roast the dals on low flame until it turns golden color. Now the dals are roasted well. Then we will add 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon methi seeds or fenugreek, 6 cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves. Dry roast well all the spices on low flame until it gives nice fragrant. The spices are roasted well. It's giving very nice aroma. At this stage, add grated coconut and saute well for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. Then transfer the spices into another bowl and keep it aside. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in the same pan. Then add red chilies and roast well on low flame. You can add more chilies if you want as per your taste. Switch off the flame and transfer into the whole spices. Once the spices have cooled down, transfer into blender jar and make a fine powder. Before starting to make Vangi Bath, we need to prepare some things. First thing, cut the brinjals into small cubes like this. Then put it in salt water. Otherwise the brinjal will change in color. Next thing, I am using 1 cup rice. I already cooked and cooled down completely. Last thing, take small size tamarind, soak in water and take the tamarind extract and keep it aside. Vangi Bath powder is ready and keep it aside. Heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add slit green chili, 2 tablespoons raw peanuts and roast well. Meanwhile, add half teaspoon chana dal, half teaspoon urdu dal and some curry leaves. Saute well. Once the peanuts turned into golden brown, add chopped brinjal. And saute well. Cook on low flame until the brinjal turns soft. After 8 minutes, the brinjal turns soft. At this stage, add extract tamarind juice and cook well until the tamarind raw smell goes away. After some time, the tamarind juice cooked well and it coated well with brinjals. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, pinch hing, then Vangi Bath masala around 2 tablespoons, required amount of salt. Mix well all together. Don't over mix the masala, otherwise the brinjals will break. After sauteing well, at last add cooked rice and mix it gently without breaking the rice. The remaining masala you can store it in airtight container and keep it in the fridge. It will stay for 1 week. After mixing well, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and garnish with some coriander leaves. Switch off the flame and mix well. You can serve with any of your favorite raita or papad.
Healthy and tasty Vangi Bath is ready. Hope you all like it.
Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.